In this video I'm going to show you how to save images from Instagram to your phone gallery. Now what you want to do is you want to open up your Instagram app and then you want to open up your chats. Once you have opened up your chats, click on that person that has sent you an image and you want to save it. So without screenshotting, there's much easier way to do it. You just hold down and you click save and it will tell you photo saved. Now if I go back to my gallery, I can see that this photo was actually saved. And you can do this for pretty much anything and anybody and in any chats. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, saying something like this video helped me out. If it didn't help you out, let me know what was the problem and I will do my best to help you fix that problem. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.